We have here is a blind that won't come down. So first we're gonna have to take off our trim piece here, and then we'll be able to access this and clip it off and see what's going on. So first, to get access to the clip to release, you're going to take the trim molding off here, and it should just be a couple of plastic clips that you can just push up on, and they should release the molding. Now with the molding removed, you can unclip the base of the hinge there, and it will swivel up so you can pivot out the blind. Now you can see right here, this is the part that's not working right, and it's pinched in. It should open up, so we'll see what's going on. And that was this pin here. You see it was right down here, was wedged up against this string, so then the string wasn't able to maneuver it. So I'm hoping that fixed it. Now slide the blind back into the clip on one end and snap back down the clip on the other. And when you first don't succeed, just try again. Now you can return the molding just by clipping it back into those plastic clips. Just be careful not to snap them. Alright. Back to the shop. Dad at home. A Busy Bee channel. Like and subscribe.